again, thank you guys for all being here. I'm so excited. I'm also a little nervous, but I feel so proud of everyone, and I'm so excited for you guys to, just be here with us. So thank you.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, and maraming salamat sa pagbigay ng time nyo for today's event, and sana po mag-enjoy nyo. Thank you.
Hello po sa inyo lahat, sa press, thank you for coming, and sa mga supporters namin, maraming salamat sa support at pagmamahal. Thank you for coming.
Magandang hapon everyone! Thank you guys for being here today. I see a lot of familiar faces, and let's have fun!
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, wow. The official poster for Bad Genius. The series is finally here. Of course, directed